Have you ever stepped into someone's home and instantly felt a wave of peace just from how clean and welcoming it looked? Maybe you've wondered, how do they keep it this way without spending all day cleaning? Well, guess what? It's not about scrubbing harder or hiring a maid. It's about a few smart habits that make all the difference. And today, I'm going to share 10 simple daily habits that seniors with spotless homes follow. The best part? Each one only takes a few minutes, but together, they create a space that feels fresh, relaxing, and beautiful every single day. Stick around, because the last habit is one hardly anyone talks about, but it could be the real secret to loving your home more than ever. All right, let's jump right in. First habit, they start the day with a fresh bed. You might not think it matters, but making your bed each morning is like giving your day a strong, positive start. When you walk back into your room later and see that smooth, neat bed, everything feels more peaceful. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just pull up the sheets, fluff the pillows, and call it done. In less than 2 minutes, you've already done something good for yourself. Plus, when your bed looks tidy, it makes the whole room feel cleaner, even if there's a sock or two lying around. And here's a little bonus. People who make their bed daily tend to feel happier and more productive. It's such a small thing, but it sets the tone for everything that follows. Second habit, they keep clutter from settling. Have you ever noticed how clutter sneaks up on you? A book here, a jacket there, some unopened mail on the table, and before you know it, the whole house feels messy. Seniors with spotless homes have a secret. They deal with clutter the moment it appears. If they use it, they put it away. If they bring it inside, it finds a home. No piles, no, I'll get to it later. Try telling yourself this. Touch it once. Pick it up, put it away. It saves you hours of cleaning later and keeps your space feeling open and calm every single day. Third habit, they wipe down surfaces right away. It's amazing how a few crumbs on the counter or fingerprints on the table can make a whole room look dirty. That's why wiping down surfaces daily is a must. After breakfast, quick wipe. Before bed, quick wipe. It only takes seconds, but the difference is huge. No buildup of grime, no stains setting in, and no dreaded deep clean sessions that steal your weekend. You don't need fancy products either. A simple microfiber cloth and a little water will do wonders. It's all about building the habit so your home stays looking bright and fresh every day. Fourth habit, they stay ahead of the laundry. Laundry doesn't pile up overnight. It builds little by little when we ignore it. Seniors who keep their homes clean don't wait until they run out of socks to do laundry. They toss in a small load almost every day. It's much easier to manage one small basket than 5 giant ones at once. Plus, folding and putting things away feels effortless when it's just a few items. Try tossing a load in before breakfast or after dinner. Before you know it, clean clothes are back in the drawers, and the dreaded laundry mountain never has a chance to form. Fifth habit, they never leave dirty dishes overnight. Picture this. You wake up, shuffle into the kitchen for coffee, and the first thing you see is a pile of dirty dishes. Talk about starting the day stressed. Now picture waking up to a sparkling clean sink. Instant calm, right? Seniors with pristine homes have a golden rule. Dishes are done before bedtime. Whether they wash by hand or load the dishwasher, it only takes a few minutes, and it makes mornings feel 100% better. The kitchen becomes a place of peace instead of a reminder of yesterday's mess. It's such a simple habit, but one that changes the whole energy of your home. Sixth habit, they tackle paper clutter immediately. Bills, magazines, junk mail, it all adds up so fast. And once a pile starts growing on the counter, it seems to attract even more. Here's what organized seniors do differently. They deal with paper the day it enters the house. Junk mail goes straight to recycling. Important papers get filed. Bills go to a designated spot. It only takes a minute, but it prevents those overwhelming paper mountains that seem impossible to deal with later. Setting up a little station by the door, a basket for mail, a shredder for junk, can make this habit almost effortless. Seventh habit, they let the breeze in. Even the cleanest homes can feel stuffy if the air isn't fresh. Seniors who keep their homes feeling alive and welcoming have a simple trick. They crack open a window every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Fresh air sweeps out cooking smells, stale odors, and dust, making the whole house feel lighter. Even in winter, just opening a window a crack while you make your morning coffee can work wonders. There's something about a soft breeze that not only clears the air, but lifts your mood too. It's free, it's easy, and it brings a little life back into every room. 8th habit. They keep floors fresh. You might not notice a little dust or crumbs underfoot until you do. And once you feel it, it's all you can think about. That's why seniors with the cleanest homes take a few minutes each day to sweep or vacuum their most used spaces. Just a quick pass through the kitchen, hallway, or living room keeps things from building up. You don't need to mop the whole house daily. A simple sweep after meals or a light vacuum in the evening keeps your floors feeling fresh and makes a huge difference in how your home looks and feels. 9th habit. They prep their home for morning. Ever notice how a messy house in the morning feels overwhelming before you even sip your coffee? Seniors who love their homes take 5 to 10 minutes each evening to do a quick reset. Straighten the pillows, fold up the blanket, put the remote back in its spot, wipe down the kitchen counters. It's not a big cleaning session, just a small tidy up. The next morning, you wake up to a fresh, welcoming home instead of a to-do list waiting for you. That peaceful feeling carries into your whole day, and it becomes easier and easier to keep up with. 10th habit. They celebrate the clean, not just chase it. Here's the one habit hardly anyone talks about, and it might be the most important. People with peaceful, clean homes enjoy their space. They don't just clean to get it over with. They take time to light a candle, open a window, sit with a cup of tea, and soak in the calm they've created. When you love your space, you naturally want to keep it beautiful. It stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling like a gift you give yourself every day. So next time you wipe down a counter or straighten up the living room, don't rush off to the next task. Pause, breathe it in, enjoy the calm you've made. And there you have it. 10 simple, powerful habits that seniors with the cleanest, most welcoming homes live by. None of these are hard, none of them require hours of scrubbing. They're just small daily choices that add up to a life that feels more peaceful, more organized, and more joyful. So here's my challenge to you. Pick just one habit to start today. Maybe it's making your bed every morning. Maybe it's opening a window while you sip your tea. Whatever it is, commit to it for a week. See how it makes you feel. You might just be surprised how much lighter and happier your home and your heart can feel. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on simple, happy living after 60. And let me know in the comments, which habit are you excited to try first? See you in the next video.